Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at a water pump in a 2007 Toyota Yaris. Let's check it out. Alright guys, and the first thing you're going to want to do is watch the Yaris alternator video. It's on the same car, and that's going to show you how to get to where we're starting from today. Now, when your water pump is bad, you'll know because watch me wiggle this thing. See how that pulley just wiggles? It should never ever wiggle. A lot of people ask, oh, well, can I do anything to fix it? Replace your water pump. That's the answer. So a lot of times it's good news because you hear a clack, 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 and you figure out it's just your water pump and not your engine. So that's kind of some good news. But we're going to start by removing some of these bolts. Okay guys, now the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to get this pulley off. It's got 3 10mm bolts, and you're just going to stick your screwdriver through a hole like that and then just kind of wedge it up there, and then you use your wrench to take those bolts off. And then we've got 5 10mm, it looks like 10mm bolts around the water pump, so we'll see that when I get the pulley off. Okay guys, and this is what it looks like with your bolts out and the nuts off. It's got 2 studs, one there, one there. They're 10mm, so the one on the back end, I'll show you what the water pump looks like off so you can see where it would be kind of in relation to that. Okay guys, so if we imagine that and we just kind of pulled it up here, this is what we're looking at. That's the top 3 you were looking at, and then that's the stud on the other side, and then right here is where we would have that other 10mm. You're just going to reach under there. I broke it loose with a wrench, and then I took a 10mm socket to get it all the way back out. So that's pretty much it. You're gonna, to actually take this guy out, it might be kind of stuck on there, so you might be able to wiggle it and get it off. You might have to take a flathead screwdriver, tap it off, and then just make sure you clean that mounting area really well with like a gasket scraper. Then put your new gasket on, bolt it back on, good and tight, not too tight because these bolts are easy to break. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.